Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw Litecoin from your Coinbase wallet to Phantom Wallet in 2025. With crypto evolving so fast, managing your assets across wallets is key for security and flexibility. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and stress-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have both the Coinbase Wallet app and the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device. Update them to the latest versions for 2025 to avoid any compatibility issues. Once that's sorted, open your Coinbase wallet and log in securely. You'll see your dashboard with all your assets listed. Find Litecoin in your portfolio and select it. Next, look for the Send or Withdraw option, usually represented by an arrow icon. This is where the magic happens. Before you proceed, double-check that you're sending to the correct wallet. Head over to your Phantom Wallet app, tap on the Litecoin asset, and copy the wallet address. It's crucial to get this right to prevent any lost funds. Always verify the address twice. Now, back in Coinbase, paste the Phantom Wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Litecoin you want to withdraw, and don't forget to review the transaction fees. In 2025, network fees for Litecoin might vary based on congestion, so aim for a balance between speed and cost. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your wallet's security features, like biometrics or a PIN. After you submit, keep an eye on the transaction status. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the network. Once it's confirmed, check your Phantom Wallet to ensure the Litecoin has arrived. And there you have it. That's how you successfully move your Litecoin. A quick tip: always enable two-factor authentication on both wallets for added security. If you run into any issues, like a pending transaction, reach out to Coinbase or Phantom support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.